Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your ClickUp Personal API Token. If you've been trying to connect ClickUp with automation tools or build something custom, this little token is basically the key to everything. So first, open ClickUp in your browser and sign in using your email and password. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the bottom left corner and click on your profile picture or your initials. From the menu that pops up, choose Settings. Now on the left panel, scroll a bit until you find the section called Apps, or sometimes Integrations or My Apps. Inside this page, look for the part labeled Personal API Token. If this is your first time, you'll see a button that says Generate Token. Click that, and ClickUp will instantly create one for you. If you already have a token, you'll see a Show button instead, so just click that to reveal it. You'll see a long string of characters, and yeah, that's your API key. Treat it like a password. Click Copy to save it to your clipboard. You can paste this token into Zapier, Make, N8N, Pabbly, or your own custom automations. And if you ever need a fresh one, hit Regenerate Token. And that's it. Your API token is ready to use, and you can now build automations or integrate ClickUp with any tool you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next